What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canayo again. So today is July 7th. It's about 11:55 p.m. So we're ready to do another tutorial in functions. So we're going to be talking about giving more examples about functions. So we're going to be using a for loop for this function. So let's start. So let's do in the function prototype. Let's write down the function that we want to use later, which is going to be, we're going to give the name of Peru, which is my country where I'm from. Okay, so we're going to be calling this function right here, but for that we're going to be using a for loop. So let's do a for loop. Let's do an end I equals 1. Oh, that's a 1. There's no an I. I equals 1. Semicolon. I less equals to 5. We're going to be incremented by 1. Okay. So in here, that's where well, that went out of place. And here, that's where we're going to call the function inside the for loop. I'm sorry. I don't know what's going on, but let's call Peru. And right here, we're going to do a void Peru. Okay, and whatever you want to say, and your statement, you just say it. So I want to put Peru is the best country on the planet. That's because I'm from. Let's end the line. So basically what's going to happen is this. So this for loop right here is going to be calling 5 times this function, which is right here, and this is the statement on the functions. So it's going to be 5 times. Okay, so let's execute it. Yeah, right here, Peru is the best country on the planet. See, simple enough. 5 times. Now if you want to use more functions, just go ahead, you're more than welcome. Let's do an example. Let's do about fast foods. Okay, so I got void, but we're not going to be using for loops now, so we're going to be just doing something else. Void, let's put McDonald's. Oh man, I don't even know how to spell McDonald's. Do the function McDonald's. The other one is going to be Burger King. Burger King. Then we're going to have Pizza Hut. No, Pizza Hut. Oh, Little Caesar. Man, I didn't know how to spell Little Caesars. Oh man, it's not even like that. But it's the pizza Little Caesars. I mean, I guess it's popular everywhere. And the last one is going to be in and out, right? I'm sure you guys have been there before. I went to eat there. It was okay. It's not too bad. It's like any other. I think it tasted like any other hamburgers, I think. So let's get rid of this. And let's call those functions right here. Let's just copy all of this. Let's just get rid of this. You know, I could have just. But anyway, it's done. So we're calling the for function right there. Let's get rid of this, and let's do that. Or let's do a cout right here. What should we write down? Let's just do I love fast food. Do you guys love fast food? Maybe no. You know, void the first function McDonald's. Okay, and he says, I have the best hamburgers. I have the best hamburgers. Hamburgers. Right? So let's copy and paste this. And then we have the second one. What was that? Burger King. Then Burger King comes and says, no, I have the best ones. Says, no, I have the best burgers. This is. Right? Then Little Caesar said, Little Caesars, Caesars. He says, don't bring me in this mess. No. Bring me. No, that's for bring me. This mess. I have the best pizza ever. I have the best pizza. Cool. And then we have In-N-Out. I'm In-N-Out. And he says, you guys don't know what he's talking about. Because don't know what you talking about. I have the best burgers ever. I have the best burgers. These people love me. But anyway, so that's the program, right? So it's going to be printing here first, McDonald's, Burger King, Little Caesars, In-N-Out, and then last is going to be this. So which means it's going to be all of this, all of these functions right here, since we're calling it inside the main function. So let's go ahead and execute. Right here, we got it. I have the best hamburgers. This is McDonald's. No, I have the best burgers. It says Burger King. And then Little Caesar says, do not bring me in this mess. I have the best pizza. And then he also says, you guys don't know what you are talking about. I have the best burgers. People love me. And then the last statement is, I love fast food. Right? Cool. This is how you can use functions. So we already saw how to use functions inside a for loop. You know, it makes your programs a lot easier to be managed. So anyway, so thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you like it. Hopefully you are able just to learn something with this. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.